Hi everyone, this is Isabel the Shabby Hippie. I hope you're all doing well. I'm here today to do an unboxing for Decorate Your Life. This is actually the third time that I tried to film this, so it's actually already been unboxed. Yes, sorry. If any of you have seen my recent videos, you know that I've been having loads of trouble with my camcorder and my microphone and my pains. So, yes, I'm still having trouble. So, that's all I'm going to say. But anyway, so our sweet Jennie from Craft Creations, which is Sandy's right hand, so to speak, at least in the paper world, um, asked me so kindly if I would like to make a design team project for them, or a guest design project, I should say, for them. And I said, yes, of course. And so they, she told me to go choose out my papers. And you guys, there's a lot of cuteness over there at Decorate Your Life, okay? So um, I this was actually the first paper pad that I saw, and I loved it. And but I still looked around, and even though I love them all, um, I decided to go with this one. And but yeah, so I will leave uh, everything linked below. You know, I'll leave this paper pad link below that you're going to see in a minute here, and Decorate Your Life channel. Her Facebook group and her store, or at least the link for this link below, and also Jennie's channel. So thank you again to Jennie and Sandi for asking me to do this for you. I really appreciate it. And so with no further ado, let me re-unbox the the goodies. But yeah, I still wanted you to see the pretty um, envelope it came in, okay? And then I'm not sure if you noticed, but it says Decorate Your Life. Um, so I am just gonna take it all out again, and da-da-da-da, oopsie, there we go. I'm gonna put this over here. Hopefully Mr. Manuki won't come over. He probably won't. He's mad at me because I had to clean out his ears. He doesn't like me to do that. But anyway, so yeah, so Sandi sent me this really beautiful card. And if you know Sandi, you know that she always has this touch of elegance in all of her crafting. And so, yeah, this is really, really gorgeous. I love this. It's simple, but it's gorgeous. And that's how I like it. So, she was just thanking me for guest designing for her, and that's about it. So yeah, so that's that, and I'll leave it there. Oh gosh, I hope this isn't too bright for you. And then she also sent me these cute little dies here, and I love them. They're just so cute. I really, really love that cutie patootie one. And then this is a paper pad that I chose, okay, and it's really, really pretty. I love it. So I just wanted you to see that it does come very well packaged in the bubble mailer, and then also in this plastic sleeve here that she decorated with her stamp, or sealed with her stamp. I'm sorry, guys. I have bad allergies. And she even has this really pretty label of the same um, paper pad in the on the bag. Guys, that I always forget my words. So yeah, just go with the flow. Okay. Anyway, so this is the this tells you what you're going to get in the whole pack. Now, mind you, these are digitals, but she will print them out for you, which is what she did in this case. So she has them in digital form, or you can get them printed out, and um, it's really nice cardstock paper. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 sheets of paper, or I should say that is wrong. 7 designs, but you get 2 of them, so you get 14 sheets of paper. Okay, and look at this cutie patootie, and I think this is really what attracted me to this set, is this little image with the girl, the cute little girl holding the fox. She reminds me so much of my great-granddaughter, although my great-granddaughter has black hair, but she's got the cute little chubby cheeks, and it's just cuteness overload. Okay, so you get 2, like I said, and you get 2 of these with the bunny and the baby bunny and the cute little owl looking over them. So 2 of them, and I'm going to try and hurry up because I just noticed that the battery on the camcorder is on its last bar. Anyway, so yeah, so we have this also cute little image with the little girl and the bear. We have the little bunny with the baby bunny, the fox, and the doe. Oh my gosh, they're just gorgeous images. Really, really pretty. I love these. And we have these. So what's good about this, and then I just wanted to say also, this is not the same as this one. So this one's a little busier, and then this one has some doves. Okay. The good about this paper is, I forgot to mention, it's called Cute Critters in the Forest. But it's not just for fall or spring. It's just, you can really use this any time of year. And that's what I love about these papers. There's no rhyme or reason. You can use them, you know, for a child's birthday party, to make them something, a card, or I don't know, mini album or something, or you can use them for a grown-up, or, you know, a coworker. It doesn't matter, but it's just, oh, there they are. I thought I lost these. You can use them any time of year for any occasion, and I really like that about these papers. So, thank you again, Jenny and Sandi, and I want you all to go check them out. I will leave their YouTube channels linked below, and Sandi's store, and the Facebook group. And hopefully I will be back very, very soon with something pretty with these papers. And that's all I can say. But thank you for watching. I love you all, and God bless you all. Take care. Bye-bye.